Today at River Road Garage, we'll be taking this deck off of a 2003 DLT 3000 Craftsman lawnmower. Alright, to get started, we're going to take the shield off the front so we can get access to the rods we need to get to. We're going to take a 9/16 socket and remove these two bolts. And set all of this to the side. As you can see, these two rods here that come up off your deck, we're going to pull these pins out. And then we're going to slide the rods out and we're going to stick the pins right back in so we don't lose them. That one's got some tension on it, so you might have to wiggle your deck around a little bit. And now we're going to move to the middle. Now with the front unhooked, we're going to go ahead and remove the belt. And this belt's loose enough, I won't have to mess with the tensioner to get it off. But you might have to pull on the tensioner to get enough slack to slide it off of your pulley. And now we'll move to the back. Alright, over here on the left side of the mower, we have two more pins to take out. We're going to start here with the back one. And you might have to move your deck around to get the pin out to get the arm off of it. And we have another one up here, which I'm going to stick a screwdriver in it. And there it goes across the floor. And again, you're going to have to pick up your deck a little bit to get it off the hanger. And now we'll move back to the other side. So now here on the other side of the mower, we got one more clip up in there on the arm. I'm just going to stick my screwdriver in there again and pull it out. We're just going to pick it up just a little bit to get it off that arm. And now we'll pull it out from underneath the mower. Alright, so now with that linkage unhooked, we're going to go ahead and we're going to slide it out carefully so we can unhook the engaging cable. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to watch underneath to make sure we don't get caught on anything. Now we don't pull that cable too tight. And now that the cable's out here, we're going to go ahead and pull this little spring off. Put all that back where it belongs so we don't lose it. And it looks like there should be a clip on this and there isn't. So I'm just going to pull it back through and get that cable out of the way. And finish pulling the deck out from underneath the mower here. Which it looks like our front rods are getting stuck in front of the tire. Just gotta play with it a little bit. There you go. Thank you for making it to the end of the video today. The next video in this series will be how to replace the spindles in this deck, so stay tuned.